Hey guys, we're here at another launch. Check it out. So we're back here at Rocket View Point Park. The booster lands, it's going to land on L1 again. That's another reason why I came here, because these landings are one of the best things to see. The last time that pole got in my way, and it's not going to get in my way this time. It looks great out, it feels great. It's like 68 degrees. When we had like 3 days of winter, dropped down into the 30s here for 3 days, and people weren't even leaving their houses. Just a waiting game now, like always. So this launch is going to launch an Italian satellite for the military. I'm sure the Italians are anxious.
All right.
How you been?
Yeah.
All right? All right.
Oh.
Hey, when'd you guys get out? You need anything, you let me know.
Oh.
Oh. Hey, oh.
Oh, chi sta facendo?
Hey, Easter weekend, huh? Huh? You're a planet.
Splendid.
This launch has been scrubbed 3 separate times due to weather, and then yesterday they had a cruise ship go into the no-no zone, and they scrubbed it with like 33 seconds left.
Hold. Boarding the launch auto. This launch director calling a hold. We have a red range for a fouled range with a ship in the hazard area.
You know what I do when I'm mad, Paul? I hit a pillow. Just hit the pillow. See how you feel.
There's your pillow.
Feel better?
Yeah, I do.
Good.
Stay away from the no-no zone. Leaning up against a tree because I didn't bring a chair with me, like many of these professional rocket viewers have done. It's just a waiting game. We only got about 30 minutes or so left. I'm excited. It looks good. It'll be fun. I'm excited. Take care, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Check out this sky behind me. Check out that. And we have bagpipes. Hope that's not for a meeting. Pretty cool. Bagpipes. Okay, we'll catch a little bit of everybody over here. You meet all sorts of people on these launches. Pretty fun. 5 more minutes, probably 3 now. So time to get set up.
Stage separation confirmed.
And back ignition.
Stage 1, boost back startup.
I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming. Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of
Stage 1 landing like a full.
I know my
Stage 1 landing.
Dude, that launch was awesome. It was awesome, man. Wow. And the whole launch, I took it from my Samsung 21S phone. I got to focus now on driving. Thank you guys for enjoying another launch with me. It was well worth coming out here today. But man, it was great. It was awesome. Can't wait to get back home and roll that beautiful rocket footage. I'll catch you guys later.